Hi, I'm Diane at Williams Toyota Lift. Let's take a walk around this brand new Heli Dual-Fuel Pneumatic Forklift with a cab. Model number CPQYD 35KU1H. Now this forklift is here, it is in stock, and it is ready for immediate delivery. But let me tell you, if you are interested in a forklift with a cab, do not wait to call, because when we have these in stock, they go quickly, especially for anyone who's running forklifts outside in Ohio weathers. Now let's talk about this forklift. It has a base capacity of 7,000 pounds and it runs on dual fuel. In this case, that's gasoline and LP. You can see here on the door that it has that heater to keep your operator nice and warm, even in our Ohio winters. And it has four-way hydraulics. Now this fourth hydraulic is currently open, so that means you can use it for any hydraulic function that you might need, whether that's fork positioners or some sort of clamp, whatever that might be for you. On the dash, you can see here that we have a convenient switch for your windshield wipers. There's the switch for your heater, and we have that handy cup holder as well. Now coming up here to the mast, this is a 3-stage mast with free lift. The max height on this is 185 inches, and it has your hang-on side shift. Now it's currently stocked with 48-inch standard tapered forks, but if you need a different size, we can make that happen for you. Looking at the tires, these are black traction solid pneumatic tires. Up here on the front, we have dual rear view mirrors, one on each side. And we also have these great lights up on the top, including these forward-facing ultra bright LED headlights, as well as this combination light on the top that has your running light and a turn signal. Now, as I mentioned, if you're running a forklift outside in the Ohio winters, this is exactly what you need. It will keep your operator comfortable and warm during all of the seasons that Ohio throws at us. So up there on the top, we have that convex rear view mirror. Coming down to the steering wheel, we have this steering wheel knob, and this is an adjustable steering column as well. Now, looking at the hood here, we have what we call an upholstered hood bra. This provides insulation for your operator's comfort in terms of insulating with the heat, as well as insulating for sound. Now the seat is a fully adjustable full suspension seat that moves forwards and backwards, and also adjusts here with your incline. And we have this orange high visibility safety belt. Back on that back pillar, we have that rear pillar handle with a horn that gives your operator a horn at his or her thumb at all times, even when they're backing up. We also have an operator fan for keeping them cool, and we have that dome light up on the top. This back window opens to allow the hood to open and also to get a little bit of ventilation. And speaking of ventilation, these windows are great for giving your operator more adjustability with the temperature, but these doors are easy to pop off. In a matter of minutes in the summer, you can take those doors off and have it be a nice open cab for them. Now, we also have lots of lights on the back. Those are combination lights that show you your brakes, your turn signals, as well as your reverse, and there is a backup alarm. And there's that movable magnetic yellow strobe up on the top. Now, as I mentioned, this forklift is here. It is in stock and it is ready for immediate delivery, but it will not be around for long. So if you are interested, give us a call at 1-800-435-2449 or visit us on the web at williamstoyotalift.com, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can stay up to date on equipment that we have available, as well as other features that you need to know about.